Friends, to another episode of Golden Whispers because Ocean inspires aspirations. Friends, this is a 2 to 5 minute series of daily reflections that aspire to ignite your passions, broaden your horizons, and guide you towards a life filled with a purpose. So get ready to be uplifted and motivated every day with Golden Whispers because Ocean inspires aspirations and cultivate a journey of personal growth together. ये श्रृंखला आपकी प्रेरणाओं को जगाती है और आपके उद्देश्यपूर्ण जीवन की ओर मार्गदर्शन कराती है। ये एक कोशिश है। This is an effort so as to improve on your self confidence, on your self development. So today's topic is, friends, stay accountable. Stay accountable means you should take the responsibility of your own actions, your decisions, your commitments. You should value your words. So अपनी जिम्मेदारी को समझो और जिम्मेदारी लो। जो भी बोल रहे हो उसे ओन करो। यू शुड ओन इट। नहीं, ऐसे नहीं कि कुछ बोल दिया और फिर भाग गए, है ना? ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं। फिर पहले बोलते नहीं, मैंने तो नहीं बोला था, आई डिडंट से एनीथिंग। इफ यू आर नॉट फर्म ऑन योर ओन वर्ड्स, नोबडी इज गोइंग टू बिलीव यू। बट द प्रॉब्लम इज यू योरसेल्फ विल लैंड इन ट्रबल इन बिलीविंग योरसेल्फ। खुद पे भी विश्वास खोता जाएगा आपका। एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि आपको भी पता नहीं चलेगा मैं करूं कि ना करूं, शुड आई डू इट और शुड आई नॉट। देन यू विल गो ऑन आस्किंग समवन, which is again the wrong thing. Because in life, remember friends, in life, please do not ask other person of what you have to do for. You have to decide your goals. You have to take a responsibility of your life. You have to decide of your future. कोशिश करता हूं लेकिन होता नहीं है, ये आम तौर पे एक बहाना हम बोलते ही रहते हैं। ये डायलॉग हमेशा हर घर में होता है, मैंने बहुत कोशिश की लेकिन मिला नहीं। ठीक है, सभी लोगों को सब कुछ नहीं मिलता है, लेकिन मैंने कोशिश नहीं की, ये नहीं होना चाहिए। I did try. Now that is where the destiny is taking us. But if I have not put up the goal, then I'm in trouble. I'm a wayward person. Going गंगा गए गंगादास, जमुना गए जमुनादास, वैसे चल रहा है। नहीं नहीं, ऐसे नहीं चलना है हमको। We should be very firm. We should own our own words. We should own the responsibility. Our actions should speak for us, which should be owned by you. That is what is meant to say by stay accountable. So it involves being honest with yourself. खुद से ईमानदारी से पेश आओ, खुद को देखो। सच खुद का अपने आप से जब रिफ्लेक्शन करोगे, तो सच जब आप बात करोगे आपसे, तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि उसे भी आप कवर अप कर रहे हो। नहीं नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं था, मुझे ऐसा तो नहीं बोलना था। ये भी एक डायलॉग है ना, नहीं मुझे ऐसा नहीं कहना था। Then why, when you are hurting someone and then you are explaining that I didn't wish to hurt you, I didn't mean to say that, what does it mean? If you didn't mean the words, why did you utter? If you uttered it, now you have to own it. Friends, relationship is a very important part, which is, or the relationship is based on your own accountability. If you are honest to yourself, if you are staying accountable to yourself, your bonding with others will be very strong. So when you are honest with yourself, obviously you will be honest with others also. Then you will be honest with your progress also. Then you will be honest on your reflections also. Why reflections? Because that is what is important. Once you understand where you are lagging behind, it will help you to go ahead. The setbacks, you should learn from them. So owning your actions is more important. So when you are owning your actions, when you are truthful to yourself, to your others, to the progress, to the successes, and to the failures also, now you are learning to grow in the process. That is what we require. And that is what this series is about. We started this series with a for change of mindset, from restricted mindset to the growth mindset. And These are the steps that we are discussing on daily basis. So accountability is about acknowledging your role in achieving your goals and holding yourself to the standards you have set, not others. है ना, मैं हमेशा कहता हूं कि जब मैं स्कूल में गया था, that was not my choice, it was my parents' choice. So after certain years, I came to know about my life. Now I should be very firm on where I have to reach. इसीलिए मैं कहता हूं, अचीविंग योर गोल्स नॉट अदर्स गोल्स. माँ बाप ने कहा डॉक्टर बन जाओ, वो डॉक्टर बन गया, बट ही इज नॉट एट ऑल इंटरेस्टेड इन बिकमिंग अ डॉक्टर. You see, there are many people who have achieved much of the things in the education part, but are in totally different field. So, in a way, they wasted their prime years in the things they were not interested for. That is what we should avoid. And that can be avoided only if you are honest with yourself. Only you held yourself accountable for. We should be able to tell where we have to reach. स्टेशन पे जाते हो, मुझे कौन सी जगह पे जाना बोलना पड़ेगा ना उसको, या ऐसे ही बोलोगे नहीं कौन सा भी एक टिकट दे दो? नहीं, ऐसे नहीं चलता है. ही विल आस्क यू वेयर डू यू वांट टू गो. इट हैज टू बी डिफाइंड. वैसे ही जिंदगी के रास्ते में आपके डिफाइन होने चाहिए. And that will happen only if you are making yourself accountable for your own actions. हमें डर किस बात का है? अगर फेल हो गए तो हम बोले देखो तुम्हारी वजह से हो गया, मेरी वजह से, मैंने तो ऐसा नहीं बोला था. अरे नहीं, why that way? Own your life, own your responsibility. हाँ, मैंने डिसाइड किया, थोड़ा सा फेलियर हो गया, लेकिन मैंने छोड़ा नहीं है. I will jump back. That should be the attitude, and this accountability will help you to have that attitude. This accountability will help you to become a resilience or resilient towards every failure. You will jump back, bounce back, because you have decided where you have to go. And you're owning that. So you should be happy with that. Yes, that is what matters in life. Happy. पूरी जिंदगी किसी और के सपने पूरे कर रहा था, मैं हैप्पी नहीं था. मेरी सोच कुछ और ही थी, मुझे कुछ और ही करना था. होता है ना आम जिंदगी में, ऐसे ही होता है. What are we yearning for? Happiness. मैं खुश रहना चाहता हूं जिंदगी में, यही तो चाहते हैं सब लोग. बट हम खुशी रिलेट करते हैं सक्सेस से. खुशी रिलेट होनी चाहिए खुद के अकाउंटेबिलिटी से. मैंने डिसाइड किया, मैंने अचीव किया, खुशी है. So the importance of staying accountable lies in its ability to keep you on track and motivated. So since you have decided of your life and owning your life and taking the step with ownership, every achievement, you will be happiest person on the world, on this world, isn't it? अगर आपने जो डिसाइड किया, अचीव किया, तो उससे ज्यादा हैप्पीनेस तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. So when you hold yourself accountable, you are more likely to follow through on your commitments and maintain focus on your objectives. एक बार फोकस हो जाए, अकाउंटेबल अपने आप को मान लिया कि नहीं ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, मेरी लाइफ है, मुझे जीना है और मुझे किसी के बर्डन होके नहीं जीना है. ना ही मैं जिंदगी में कभी ऐसे डायलॉग बोलूंगा कि मेरा नहीं था, मेरा नहीं था, मुझे ऐसा कहना ही नहीं था, आई डिडंट मीन टू से दैट. No. These dialogues, they speak volumes about your decisions, about your accountability for self, or your words, or your actions. So, friends, please be firm. Let us not have that type of attitude कि नहीं मैं कुछ भी बोल देता हूँ, बाद में उसको सॉरी बोलता हूँ. You should not utter the word sorry. What for? You should be firm. No, I mean what I say. That should be the way you should take the life on. And this will help you to be on the path of your goals, to reach your objective, to reach your goals. So staying accountable is essential for personal growth and professional growth also, because goal achievement, it is everything for you, because that is what you are set for. That is what you are walking for. That is what you are yearning for. It ensures that you stay true to your commitments and remain focused on your goals, isn't it? Since you are focused on your goals, Nobody can divert your goals. Once you have made yourself accountable, every reflection on daily basis you are having about yourself will take you towards your goals. So set clear goals, use accountability parameters. The partners is as in the, you should have that on records, and make the changes as a requirement, but not that you should repent on what you have stated or what your actions were for. You have to reflect on your actions. You have to document your progress. This will help you, friends. So, friends, stay accountable. I sign off on this note and we meet again in another episode of Golden Whispers because she inspires aspirations. Till then, bye bye. Enjoy the day, friends. Enjoy the life. It is a one time activity. Do enjoy.